Sometimes when you're filming your videos, the clips could be too dark. And with this new feature, you can now adjust the brightness, contrast, and other features within your reel in Instagram Reels. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! The thing I really love about this is I'm finally able to adjust these. I've been waiting for this feature on Instagram for a while. You have been able to do this in Instagram edits, and there is something better in Instagram edits. If you're in Instagram edits and you have, like, say you have a bunch of clips and you adjust it, it has this one button that allows you to apply adjustments to all clips. Instagram itself doesn't have it. You have to do them all separately, manually. So if you're gonna be editing a lot, I do highly suggest you check out the Instagram Edits app because it does have more capabilities of doing different things. But if you're still in Instagram, that's cool. I'm gonna show you how to do this in Instagram. So you're in Instagram, you have your clip selected. You know your clip is selected because it has the yellow indicators around it. Then you press adjust. So you'll see adjust is down here. And this is gonna give you controls to like add the brightness. Brightness is gonna make it overall brighter. You can add some contrast. So it's gonna make the midtones darker. You can do warmth. What warmth does is if you increase your warmth, it adds yellow, and if you decrease your warmth, it adds blue. So it makes it cooler with the blue or warmer with the yellow. You can add saturation. Ooh, that looks like somebody who took a photo from the 2000s. So don't want to add too much saturation, but a little bit can be nice. Fade. So fade basically adds this overall whiteness. It doesn't just affect one portion of it. It just adds a fade to the entire thing. Then there's highlights. Highlights, if you lower your highlights, it's going to make the bright parts appear not as bright. And if you increase your highlights, it's going to make the bright parts appear brighter. And then you have your shadows. So if you lower your shadows, it's going to make the dark parts darker, or if you increase your shadows, it's going to make the dark parts brighter, so it adds to it. And then you have this one, which allows you to add a dark border. So if you have it all the way, you have this dark border around your photos, or if you go the other way, it adds this light border around your photos. And then you also have sharpen. This allows you to make your photos more crisp. And then when you're done, you can see it makes it look so much better. If you do want more controls and to be able to add this to all your clips, then I do suggest Instagram edits. But the good part about doing them individually is that you can really adjust it so that it goes for that photo, and you can really make each of your clips look great by just going in there and adjusting them to however you want them. I would also suggest, let's go to brightness. I would also suggest when you're doing this to not make them too different from each other, because if they're too different from each other, then it's just going to look really choppy. So I suggest trying to come up with a signature style or look that you like, that excites you, and then just being consistent with that. The more consistent you can stay, the more branded all your content's gonna look.